Maybe. Huh? No. No, I would make a whole lot more noise than. You're an idiot. He's like, I think your arm looks way better.
He's like, get your head down here.
Look at that ant crawling on his eyeball. He doesn't give a shit.
No.
Here, he only likes whole hot dogs.
Come on, Gator, get your hot dog. Oh, yeah. He does like whole hot dogs. He'd probably get pretty mad.
He's a pretty good sized boy right there.
Yeah, he is.
There's this little guy. Whoa. There's our good one right there.
Here's our tame one. I don't know if this guy's holding out for drum or what he's doing.
Oh, look, he's got one eye that's all bit out of his head.
Oh, he's got a
See how it's all milky looking over there?
cloudy,
He got chomped
clouded
on.
up eyeball.
I really thought hot dogs floated.
This is all right, though. That big one's screwing up our nice tame one. Here he comes. He's got his mouth open this time.
Here you go, buddy.
Ah, he missed. Sorry.
I'm coming.
Oh, God damn it. That big one's running over him.
People are starting to get mad now.
I like the one that came up off the bottom with a piece of ham.
Come here, here's a tame one. The domesticated gator. Oh, my fault, buddy. That was a terrible shot. It's like slapping an old book closed. Probably a terrible idea. You're blocking the whole fucking road, dummy.
He's kind of screwed the whole deal up, that big one.
If I had a stick, I'd poke you with it.
We'd have a whole bunch of these little guys over here. We could lure them into the car.
Yeah. Here you go, buddy. This is the good boy.
Mm-hmm.
He's so snappy. It's the last of the hot dog.
Go for it. I think this one's kind of thinking about it too. He seems kind of trained up.
He looks a little bit fucking psycho for my liking.
There's the big one.
He just runs right. That's how he stops. He just runs into stuff. I really feel like I could pet that guy on the head.
Don't touch him, please.
I don't think we're faster than he is.
He's waiting to grab that arm, baby.
You be lefty. We should try a styrofoam cup or something a little non-conventional and see what it is that he'll actually eat.
That's the tame guy right there. We've been feeding him all kind of shit. You tap on the tire and he comes up and opens his mouth and you just drop it in there. Open it.
Put your hand in there.
He kind of does. I think that might be one of them fucking man-eaters.
No.
It wouldn't take long to get him that way, I don't think.
Testing the dock to see if there's any
He
way to
looks like
shake
he's
us off
gonna
of here.
lunge. I don't know. They freak me out.
Let's see if he eats. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Eat your green plastic.
Oh, buddy.
Oh shit.
Your face up there.
He is eating it. He ate the ham package.
Really?
Yeah.
Come around front.
I was a little curious how smart they were.
Come around front, buddy. This is the last of the hot dog. We got to get a good jaw snap in there.
He's watching for the big guy.
He's like, is that some bitch coming back? Oh, did you get full? There's no way you're full. I only had about a dozen hot dogs.
He's got street creds. You see me feed that wrapper to the big one.